Now this is one I don't like, okay? Me don't like her. Me don't like her at all. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a highly requested part 2 of my dupe perfumes. But this one is particularly for all of the dupes that I brought that I no longer want the originals because they're just that good. Well, one of them I was like, I don't even like it, but we'll get to that one. So let's get started. All right, in no particular order, I'm going to talk about Her Confessions by Lattafa. This is a dupe to Blanche Bête perfume. This perfume is so good. I've had it for a little bit over a year. Every time I wear it, I get so many compliments. It is a beast mode fragrance. It lasts all day and it's super affordable. And then of course the bottle is like art. Look at that. It is so pretty. This is for sure like a vanilla scent, but it's like cozy date night vibes. Every single time I wear it, I get compliments. The Her Confession is really good, and also the men's of His Confession. Oh, they both smell so good. Lattafa did their big one, but now that this one is so good, I don't want the original. Next up is Decadent Wonder, and this one is by Maison Alhambra, not really sure. This one is super affordable. I brought the Homage Guidance 46 dupe to that one and I absolutely loved it. I ended up buying Homage Guidance. I talked about that in the last video, but this is a dupe to Homage Love Delight. Again, I don't own that one. I haven't even smelt it, but I really want it because we don't have like a Saks and Fifth Avenue or like an Neiman Marcus here for me to be able to go in and smell the expensive brand. So I don't mind spending $35 on something. To me, you get a whole bottle of perfume versus a decanted one for like $35 for like a 5 milliliter. I have done that to a lot of expensive perfumes, but you do better just getting like a full bottle of this and just to see like the scent profile of the perfume. And this one is so good. This is like the perfect spring scent. It's light, but it's still beast mode, but it's light. It's fruity. It's definitely a fruity floral scent. I like it. I like it a lot. Although I have not worn it yet, when I've sprayed it like on a tester, it is beast mode on it. But I don't know how to describe it because I can't say that it's light. It's not like a overpowering beast mode. It's just a very vibrant scent. It smells so good. I think this will definitely be like a spring scent, daytime, work appropriate type of scent. I like it. Next up is Floral Marshmallow by Dossier. Look at how this juice has macerated. Oh my gosh. So this is the dupe to Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian. That bottle I think is over $250 if I can remember right. I did end up buying the travel size of it. I tore that perfume up. I wore it. Like I was like, oh my God, the juice is so good. I love marshmallow. I love a good marshmallow note. And this one right here, whenever I had the little bit of the travel size, I ended up buying this from Dossier. And I did a side-by-side comparison and it smells the exact same. So I've been having this for about a little bit over a year, and as you can see I have a little dent to it. I don't reach for it because to me it's more of a spring summer type of vibe to me, and it's really good layered, but this is so good. And because I own this has definitely soothed the itch of wanting to get the Kilian perfume, so I'll continue to repurchase this one. I mean, look at that. I bet if I wear it now, oh my gosh. If you like marshmallowy, to me that's the prominent note in this. So top notes is marshmallow. I love neroli. I love bergamot. This is why I love it. Top notes is marshmallow, neroli, bergamot. Middle is orange blossom. This perfume was made for me, okay? These are all the notes that I love. Orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, orris, amber, vanilla, and musk. Those top 4 notes are ones that I gravitate for, which makes a lot of sense, is why I love it. But because this is so good, say it with me, we don't need to spend all the money on the originals. Now this is a newer purchase of mine. This is Baciami by Bulgari. I don't know how to say it, but I'll let my editor put the name and the bottle here so you can see it. But this is the dupe to it. This is Nafas Shark by Collage. The bottle, y'all. I originally bought this because the bottle is so beautiful. It has gold flecks in it. I did wear this. This is definitely like a grown woman sexy vibe. It has gardenia note in it. Definitely a definitely a spring scent that I will be wearing this spring. I also have the oil from Brown Sugar Babe. So both of these smell exactly the same. Again, I don't own the original, and I wanted it originally just to do a compare test, but that bottle's expensive. And I'm trying to get away from having so many dupes in my collection that, I don't know, y'all, the Arabians just do it. They just do it better sometimes. So this one, definitely like this one. I did wear it and it lasted a very long time. I wore it to a doctor's office a couple weeks ago and it smells amazing. I didn't get any compliments on it, but when I tell you I smelled myself. And it smells really good. Next up is Confection by Kayali. This is the dupe to Kayali's Rock Sugar Candy. Now I brought this in the small bottle of the Kayali one and I liked it. I really liked it, but it wasn't like a love that I felt like, oh my God, I want to buy the bigger bottle. So this is my second bottle of this. Again, my daughter is the love of perfumes just as much as I am, and she tends to borrow them for long periods of time, but this whole bottle was gone, and she told me every time she wore this to work, people would like, she got too many compliments on it. So I ended up buying a new bottle. This one is brand new. I have not worn it yet. Confection, it's definitely like a sweet scent, so I don't think that it pulls juvenile to me. Look at that atomizer. Beautiful. Yeah, is what I remember it to be. Definitely a spot on dupe to Rock Candy Sugar by Kayali. It's definitely a sweet perfume and definitely very layerable. So if you want to wear it at night, I will wear it with like a deeper scent. To me, this is very girly. It could lean more 20s teen vibes to me, but to make it more mature, oh, it smells beautiful. To make it more mature, I would definitely, I'm not gonna say tone it down, but like layer it with like a deeper scent, a more fall scent to go with it, or even like a vanilla scent to go with it. I like it. And again, I don't desire to buy the Kayali one because this one right here definitely definitely soothed the itch of me wanting like a fruity candy type of perfume in my collection, and this one does it for, this one will do it for me. I'm happy with it because it was only like $35. Cheap. All right, and sticking with Khair by Paris Corner, their whole collections, all of their bottles, I have four of them. The pistachio one, the peach delulu one smells really good. Like that's a nighttime. I would layer peach delulu with this one. I bet that's gonna smell so good. And then this one is the Khair Felicity. This is a dupe to Kayali's Wedding Silk Santal perfume. I have that one again in the mini size, and to me this one is a spot on dupe. Yeah, it's a spot on dupe. This is Kayali's Wedding Collection. This is the dupe for that one, and it smells really good. I would wear this for date night. I would wear this to church. I would wear this to like an event, like a girls' night out. It's definitely a sexy, seductive scent, which is why it's for wedding. I will wear it to a wedding as well. It smells good. And honestly, all of the Paris Corner collections like this, all of these last a really long time. So if you ever wanted to smell the Kayali, to me, travel size small bottle was like $25, and this is like $30 or maybe $29. So you do better getting this. Make sure you like the scent profile. It projects, it does everything it wants to do. And if you still want the original, then definitely go ahead and get it. But at least you get more. You get a 3.4 fluid ounce for this, the same price as the mini of the Kayali. So I definitely don't desire the original now because I have a full bottle of this. Okay, this is Opulent Dubai by Kayali. I got this like maybe August, yes, because I wore this to go move my son into LSU. Got compliments, and I had this perfume all day. Like I put it on that morning. We got to LSU. Of course, the hour is 2 hours away, and we didn't go straight there. So I want to say maybe 4 hours later, after I sprayed this on, the lady was like, "Oh my God, ma'am, you smell so good." This is a mango scent. Definitely a spring and summer scent. Y'all, this is a dupe to God of Fire. I don't own that one, but the bottles look exactly alike. Fun fact, there's even a more expensive one that I really wanted with this, which is Bodeja 1907. This is how the bottle looks. Y'all, this perfume is $700, okay? And then I went and brought the mini 2 ml for $30 because I was like, let me see if I like it. It's this. It's this. I'm so happy that I brought the little mini because again, we don't have one here for me to smell it. When I kept smelling it, I was like, now it's a beast mode. That $700 perfume is a beast mode fragrance, but so is this. So I no longer desire buying God of Fire or buying this Bodeja 1907. Both of these perfumes smell just like this. And there's also another one I just ordered that's called Mango Ice. Apparently Mango Ice smells more like Bodeja, but it's a mango scent. It's, when I tell you, I kept smelling myself yesterday from that one spray that I sprayed of the Bodeja, that I was like, this is 100%. This is Opulent Dubai. That's what this is. And it smells amazing. So again, because I have this, we no longer want these two. So I am so, I cannot wait to wear this. This will be my spring and summer scent. So y'all don't be surprised when y'all see my top 5 scent, summer scents, top 5 spring. This will be in it. My only mango perfume in my collection, and I cannot wait to wear her again. Next up is Mystique Boutique by Afnan. Y'all, do y'all see that dent? Do y'all see? I have been wearing this my girl out, okay? This is a perfect year-round scent. This is the dupe to Parfums de Marly Valaya. Y'all, I don't want the perfumes. This is so good. And I layered this with the Alma Divina by Skin Potion, which is the dupe to, it has a champagne note to it. And I want to say it has water lily in it, I think. Don't quote me on that, but it has that note in both of these that lasts all day, gets all the compliments. I no longer want the Parfums de Marly because I can get this plus the Skin Potion together. It still comes out cheaper than buying a whole bottle of that. So this, and the bottle is beautiful. It projects, it lasts, it smells amazing. Wear it daytime to work, wear it nighttime to church. Anywhere you go, you're gonna smell good when you wear this. Next up is a newer purchase. This is Milky Way by Maison Azar. And this is the same brand who made Vanilla Voyage. Vanilla Voyage is so good. It's such a beast mode vanilla. It's like a buttery vanilla. I love that perfume. I love that vanilla, and it made me want to buy this one. And this is a milky vanilla. This is the dupe to Milk Commodity. I do own the small bottle of Milk Commodity, and when I wear it, compliments galore, okay? I have not worn this one, but this is a dupe. And honestly, I have been wanting to buy the bigger bottle of Milk Commodity, but I just didn't want to like bite the bullet. So I brought this instead, and I no longer want the big bottle of, I have not worn this one yet, but when I sprayed it on me and I wore it throughout the day, that one day, a couple of sprays, y'all know when I get perfumes, I'll spray them and just like see how it goes with my pH. And this one, I was like, I cannot wait to wear her. I cannot wait to wear her. Plus the packaging is absolutely beautiful. They did a good job with this. Next up is Dulzura by Paris Corner. Now this is one I don't like, okay? Me don't like her. Me don't like her at all. And this made me not want to buy the, oh God, what is this? Cirque du Lait? Let me see. Let me look it up. Okay, so this is the dupe to Cirque du Lait perfume fragrance. The bottle and everything, it looks like very like over the top. And I really want it because a lot of the perfume girlies talk about how good this smell. And this one just doesn't do it for me. I wore it to church a couple weeks ago and I could not wear it on its own. That's how much I did not like it. The bottle is beautiful. It just doesn't do nothing for me. I don't want the original and I really don't even want the dupe, but I'm gonna keep it in my collection. And it did good layered with the other perfume. Actually, what I wore it with that day, I don't remember, but Micah told me I smelled good that day, and it was this and another Arabian perfume that I layered because I just did not like this one on its own. So I got the dupe, don't longer want the original, don't even want neither one of them. Okay, Cherry Boutique by Afnan. I put a little dent into this one. This is the dupe to Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I have this, and I also have the Brown Sugar Babe Cherry Balm Oil. Both of these together, both of them together, again, is cheaper than the Tom Ford. Tom Ford is known for not lasting long perfume, but I love a good cherry perfume in the spring and the summertime, so I'll definitely be putting this more to use, it smells amazing. I don't like strawberry note, but I love a good cherry note, and this one just smells so good. It doesn't smell like cough syrup. I've had somebody say that like Tom Ford Lost Cherry smell like cough syrup. I don't get that. Everybody knows it's different. And y'all remember, fragrance is personal. It is definitely subjective to everyone's own taste or smell. Perfume smells differently on everybody as well, so just do with that as you will. This is just my opinion on it. I love it. I love it, and I no longer want the Tom Ford because this one is so good. And last but not least, I'm going to end this on a note of a perfume that I did not like, and I don't want the original because I don't like the dupe. This is an Anna, I don't know how to pronounce the middle word, but Scarlet. This is supposed to be a dupe to Christian Louis Vuitton perfume. I don't like it. I don't like it. And I want to say I layered this and that other one together. This is a fruity floral nighttime scent. I'm not going to say it's bad. It's just not nothing in my scent profile that I'm just like, girl, you gonna love this. It's just, I don't like it, and because I don't like it, I don't want to purchase the Christian Louis Vuitton one. That's expensive. Okay, Louis Vuitton is expensive. So this kind of like soothed the itch to even wanting to smell it in like a high-end store. The bottle, the packaging is beautiful, but again, the scent, it's very light. It's giving just like, not for me, not my scent profile, not something that I would reach for. I tried to wear it just because I own it in my collection, but I would give it a hard pass for me on both of them. So there's that. All right, that is all for this video. Let me know down below in the comments, do you own any of these? Do you have the same sentiments of like, hey, this is good, or do you like the original better? Do you have any dupes in your collection? Girl, let's have a little chat down below because I love perfume. I love talking perfume. I love spending money on perfume. I love smelling perfume. It's definitely a scent booster for me, a mood booster. I love perfume and I love fragrance. So if you love fragrance, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I can't talk. On your way out. And I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.